Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show whether we can store Boolean literals into the variables which are declared with other different primitive data types. So let's get started. Can we store Boolean literals into the variables which are declared with other primitive data types like byte, short, int, long, float, double, char? Is it possible? The answer is no. Is there any other way of typecasting it? That is also not possible. Okay. At any cost, we cannot convert the Boolean literals into the and store into the variables which are declared with other primitive data types. Okay. That is not at all possible. Neither Java will automatically convert these literals nor we can manually typecast them. Both the ways are not possible. We are going to simply get the compiler errors and we cannot overcome them. So it is not possible. Simple answer is it is not possible to store Boolean literals into the variables which are declared with other primitive data types in Java. So let me practically demonstrate this. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Java program. And here inside the class, we have the main method. And inside the main method, I'm going to create a variable. Okay, let's say A. And this variable I'm going to declare with byte primitive data type. Now, into this variable, can I store a Boolean value? What are the two possible Boolean values or Boolean literals possible? True or false. If I try to store any of them like true, what is happening? I'm going to get a compiler error. Okay. So here, there is no way of converting. If you try to do this, like by providing typecasting manually, this is also not possible. Okay. We cannot even convert this because this is complete mismatch. Okay. These Boolean values are a complete mismatch for variables which are declared with other primitive data types. Not at all possible. Automatical conversion is not there at same time. If you try to manually convert using some typecasting statements, that is also not possible in Java. It's not only about a byte, guys. If I declare it with short, same thing. Int, same thing. Long, same thing. Float, same thing. Double, same thing. Not possible. Okay. Then char, not possible. So this is not possible in Java. What if I declare another variable and that variable is of Boolean primitive data type, declared with Boolean primitive data type? Can I store a Boolean value here into this variable declared with Boolean? Only this case it is possible to store. Okay. Only into the variables which are declared with Boolean primitive data type, we can store Boolean literals. But other variables declared with other primitive data types, we cannot store Boolean literals at any cost, whether it is neither automatic nor manual. Typecasting is not possible. In this case, simply we are going to get which type of error? It's not possible. We are going to get compiler error. Okay. So in this case, auto typecasting and manual, otherwise explicit. Okay. Auto typecasting and explicit typecasting won't work. Won't work in this case. Okay. Explicit typecasting won't work in this case. Okay. So next, the other thing we can see, that is, what if I declare a variable with Boolean primitive data type, and if I want to store, okay, I want to declare a variable, let's say C with Boolean primitive data type, and into that variable, if I want to store, okay, into that variable, if I want to store other type of literals, okay, apart from Boolean literals, can I store anything into the variable declared with Boolean primitive data type? The answer is no. If I try to store, let's say 9, okay, it's not at all possible, guys. Okay, we cannot even typecast it. This is also not possible. Okay, we cannot store other type of literals into the variables declared with Boolean primitive data type at the same time. Not only this, guys, okay, we cannot even store other type of literals into the variables which are declared with Boolean primitive data type in Java. Okay. So this is also not possible. Not only this is not possible, this is also not possible in Java. Okay. So whatever the type you give, for example, if you give 5.5, that is also not possible. If you try to give some like this, that is also not possible. So what can we store into the variables declared with Boolean primitive data type? Only Boolean literals we can store. Apart from that, if you try to store other type of literals into the variable declared with Boolean primitive data type, you are going to get the compiler error. We cannot do this casting. We cannot, with this kind of compiler. Neither it is automatic typecasting is not possible. Automatic typecasting is not possible, and explicit typecasting also not possible in this kind of case. Boolean literals storing into the variables declared with different primitive data types is not possible. Other type of literals storing into the variable declared with Boolean primitive data type is not possible. These two cases are not possible in Java. Okay, these two cases are not possible in Java. So here let me give these examples, guys. Let me write down these examples. Okay. So here I'll write the example. That is int a is equal to true is not possible. Okay. Int a is equal to true. One of the example I'm giving here. For this one also, I'm going to give an example. Example is Boolean b is equal to 9 is not possible. You're going to get a compiler error. In this case, you're going to get a compiler error. It's not at all possible to auto typecast or explicit typecast this kind of situations. Okay. In Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.